Hey guys, if you want to get back into an old Grow a Garden server you played on before, Roblox doesn't have a direct server history button, but you can try a few tricks to find it. So firstly open up Roblox and go to the Grow a Garden game page. Let us go there, so just type in Grow a Garden and scroll down to the service section. On PC you'll find it below the description. On mobile, tap the service tab. Alright, and now in here, go to the service. And here's our service down below. And after that, look for the servers my friends are in section. If someone from your previous server is still online, you can join them directly from there. If you don't see them, try the All Servers tab. You can use the search by username field to look for the player you remember from that server. If they're still in the same session, you'll be able to join. Another method is to check recently played with a list under friends. Find a player from your old Grow a Garden session, open their profile, and see if they're still in that same server. Then click join. So that's how you can try finding the old servers in Grow a Garden in Roblox. If you enjoyed this, if this was helpful, make sure to press this same like button, but on YouTube. Subscribe to us, and I'll see you soon in the next one.